Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm your host, Buckning, and today we're going to give you an update on the portfolio here. It's the end of the week update, so we will update you on the buy that we purchased this week, and then we'll go ahead and head over to the Dividend Tracker on trackyourdividends.com to update that, and then we'll update you guys on the spreadsheet as well. And then pretty much it's the end of the month, and so whatever dividends have rolled in, we will do a video next week to show you the dividends for the month of April. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. This is where we put $100 a week into a tax-free savings account to build a dividend portfolio right in front of your eyes. And if you're not new, welcome back. So we'll just get started here. Portfolio today was actually down $14.88, closing value of $4,443.22 for the day. For the 1 week, we are up $35.29, up 0.8%. For the 1 month, we are up $28.24, up 0.64%. For the 3 months, we are up $415.91, up 10.33% for the past 3 months. And for the 1 year, we are up $648.22, up 17.08%. And as for the all, it will be the same because we started this portfolio last year. First position here we have is Bell Canada, ticker symbol BCE, closing out the day at $58.10, as you can see there. This is the snapshot of the position we have in this portfolio. As you can see, we have 8 shares, and our average price of getting in is $56.41. So if you want to keep looking at that one, you can. And again, that is Bell Canada, BCE is the ticker symbol. Next position here is the position we actually updated this week. I did not buy this today. I actually bought it yesterday because the ex-dividend date is today. And so if you remember me talking in my video where I'm talking about how dividends work, which I'll put a card up here for you to check out, you can go check that out and understand why I bought it on Thursday and not today, even though the ex-dividend date is today, and why you always want to buy a full day before the ex-dividend dates. And so you can go check that out. And so again, this is Bank of Montreal, ticker symbol BMO, closing at 116.01. Here's the snapshot of the position, 7 shares, and our average price of getting in is $91.25. And so we'll come back to that when we go and update the dividend tracker. And again, that is BMO, ticker symbol ticker symbol is BMO. Next position we have here is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS, closing out at $78.27. Here is the snapshot of the position here, if you want to take a look at that. And again, that is Bank of Nova Scotia, ticker symbol BNS. Next position we have here is Loblaws, ticker symbol L, closing out at $68.25 on the day. Here is the snapshot. If you want to take a look, pause the video. And yeah, we'll move on to the next one. Again, that is Loblaws, ticker symbol L. Next position we have here is Manulife Financial Corporation, ticker symbol MFC, closing out at $26.84. Here is the snapshot of the position. Our average price of getting in is $19.26, as you can see. Moving on to the next one is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. We were purchasing this position at the first half of the month there. Closing out at $117.31. Again, that is Royal Bank of Canada, ticker symbol RY. Here is the snapshot of the position. Our average price of getting in is $111.17. Moving on to the next position here. Next one is TELUS Corporation, ticker symbol T, closing out at $25.50. Here is the snapshot of that position. And again, back to it. Again, that is TELUS, ticker symbol T. Last position we have here is Toronto Dominion Bank, closing out at $84.50, ticker symbol TD, closing out at $84.50. This is the snapshot of the position. Our average price of getting in is $77.25. And so that is all the positions. We have $42.01 in the cash portion for the stock that we will be buying, or the position will be increasing or buying starting the month of May, which is Monday. So super exciting there. So we will leave it on this screen here, and we will head over to trackyourdividends.com. So here's the tracker, guys, and this is trackyourdividends.com. So the portfolio last week, last Friday, closed out at a value of $4,286, profit of $589. Dividend yield of 4.05% if you were to build this exact portfolio as of right now. And the yield on cost for this portfolio, because we're building it over time, taking advantage of all the strategies like dollar cost averaging, consistently investing, our yield is 4.7%. The annual income on this portfolio, if you're to build it as it is, and I'll show you what it is right now, is $174 per year if you're to build this portfolio. So pause if you want to take a look at what is in this portfolio before the update. So we're going to go ahead and update the portfolio here for BMO. So 116.01 is the price today. Our average cost is 86.88. Profit of $175 if we were to sell. Dividend yield today is 3.65. Our yield is 4.88%, and the annual income from this bank stock alone, Bank of Montreal, is $25.44. So we'll go ahead and add a new holding. Ticker symbol BMO.TO. Default portfolio, we bought one share. On the 29th at a price of 117.49, and we'll go ahead and add that, and it should update the portfolio here. There it is. So portfolio value now is $4,402. Profit of $587. Dividend yield today 4.04 with the new updated position with Bank of Montreal, and our yield on cost is now 4.66, and our annual income is $178. So if we go down here, you can see now Bank of Montreal coming in with 7 strong shares. Cost of $16.01 hasn't changed, but now our average cost has gone up to $91.25, a profit of $173. Dividend yield today, we got a whole percent up because of our dollar cost averaging, but now our annual income from this one from dividends is $29.68. So if you want to take a look at this portfolio, we are all green on everything except for T, which is TELUS Corporation, which we will look to increase over time when we decide we want to go back to increasing that position. So that is the portfolio, guys. Well, not the portfolio, but the dividend tracker. So we'll head back to this one here and just talk about the spreadsheet that we have. And so I'll pop that on the screen here. As you can see here, dividends have updated as of April from what it used to be, but now it's $18.23 total. And then if you look, total for the year is $44.19. Year over year growth is 154%, using obviously $17.37 as a baseline from last year. This will be the first full year of this portfolio and tracking the dividends. So you can see that net deposits now is up to $1,925. Total invested since starting this portfolio is $3,795 even, and that includes all the referrals. And so if you guys are just starting out to invest with Wealthsimple Trade, there is a referral code down below. As of right now, I think it's $10 for you and then $25 for this portfolio if you use the referral link down below. And thank you for all that have used it already. So appreciate it very, very much. And then our performance for the year on this portfolio is been going down, but that's okay because we're accumulating assets, even though it's not showing on paper. The performance is sitting at a 4.24%. And so that is the spreadsheet updated. And then that's pretty much it for the video, guys. But on come Tuesday, we'll go over the dividends that we received for the month of April in the video because it's the end of the month. And then we'll do another video for the stock of the month that we will be purchasing. And so hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Just so you know, I am thinking about doing, I don't know if you guys want this or if you guys are interested in seeing something like this. but I know a lot of people wonder how we evaluate stocks or anything like that, But I'm thinking of maybe showing you guys how to go through. In the United States, they call it a 10K. This is a 10K. I don't know if you can see it. This is the annual report for any company out there. If you're trying to do your research, trying to figure out if it's a position you want to own or a company that you want to look at investing in. I know in Canada it is called an AIF, so annual. Is it AIF? They have an annual report, AIR, sorry, which is the annual report. Yeah, annual information report, I think it's called, but that's the Canadian one. It's equivalent to the 10K. It provides all the information for the year. And so as you can see, I printed this one off because I like to write notes usually. And just if you're curious, this one is for Logitech. So I am looking into getting a position in Logitech. But before I do that, I obviously want to do my research. As you can see, there's probably tabs on there. But the annual report and the 10K are quite large, so I don't recommend printing them off unless you're a person that likes to write notes on paper, physical paper, like myself, and just go through things. So if you guys want, let me know down in the comment section below if you guys want me to show you how I analyze a company and see if I want to start a position in them. And obviously, it's not going to be in this portfolio. I do have another portfolio that is private, and so this is for my private portfolio, but I am looking into Logitech, so just if you're curious. And so yeah, other than that, guys, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm definitely not your financial advisor, so please, if you are seeking professional or you want advice, go seek a professional. Other than that, guys, thank you for the continued support. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.